What's up? It's Lester Crypto Keys coming back at you, XRP, with this emergency video. In the next 8 hours, Bitcoin is gonna blow to the heavens. We need to bust that $60,000 mark for it to tear up. So, I don't think we might make that, but we're gonna have a little igniting going up. So prepare. Hopefully some of these altcoins start ripping with it. We'll have to see. Just wait and see. Let's see what happens. Give me a like, subscribe. See ya! Zane! Tell him. Buy a dip. Buy a dip.
No.
Yeah! What? You heard my 2-year-old! Buy the dip! What? Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy right there. Yeah, you heard him. You better listen. Yeah, you heard my 4-year-old. Tell them together. Yeah. Say no fear. Say we're in a bull market. Say don't get scared. Yeah, tell them. That's right. Give us a like and subscribe. Tell them. Don't panic, sell. Yeah. So give us a like and subscribe. See ya. See ya.